Hi students, welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, you will learn how to download and log in to BBConnect. BBConnect empowers students with easy access to all their academic information, anytime, anywhere. The app strengthens communication between students, teachers, and college authorities, ensuring you stay updated on your progress, assignments, exam schedules, and important events throughout your educational journey. To get started, download the BBConnect app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, simply enter your college URL as shown on the screen. And click Submit to proceed to the login page. Use the username and password provided to you via circular, SMS, or other communication channels. These credentials work across multiple devices, allowing you to access your academic profile anytime, anywhere. When you first log in, you'll see prompts requesting notification permission. Enable notifications so you never miss an important update. From your 3 lines on top left corner, tap the Profile section to view your details. If supported by your device, you can also enable finger touch login for extra convenience. Explore the home screen to discover key features and streamline your daily experience. Alongside the mobile app, you can access all features on our secure web portal. Use any desktop, laptop, or tablet with your college's unique URL to stay connected. For any additional support, please visit our website at www.brightbee.co.in. You can also email us using the address provided, or simply drop a comment and our team will reach out to you. At Brightbee Technologies, we are dedicated to partnering with educators, parents, and students, helping everyone succeed together. Thank you.